Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduk, and this is tip number 353. Clean uninstall of the VS Code extension. Continuing our series on the Power Platform Tools extension for VS Code, in this tip we'll look at how you can completely uninstall the Power Platform Tools extension from your desktop if you want to do a fresh install. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to subscribe to the Engineered Code YouTube channel for our weekly tips, monthly community calls, and lots of other Power Pages and Power Platform content. While working on these tips, I did run into a few situations where the extension wasn't acting exactly as expected. For example, certain autocomplete features wouldn't work, or the Power Pages options would be missing from the command palette. As any good IT person would do, the first thing I tried was turning it off and turning it back on again. In this case, that meant uninstalling and reinstalling. While a simple uninstall didn't solve my issues, once I did a complete uninstall, everything started working as expected. When you click the uninstall button for an extension in VS Code Desktop, some artifacts remain on your system. So to do a complete uninstall, there are a couple folders that you want to delete in order to ensure that when you install it again, it is pulling down all the latest code. So, first uninstall the extension via VS Code. Then, browse to your user profile folder. The first one you want to delete is under .VS Code and then extensions. Delete the folder that starts with Microsoft-ISV-EXP-Tools.PowerPlatform-VS Code. Next, back in your user profile folder, go into App Data, Roaming, Code, User, Global Storage, and then Microsoft-ISV-EXP-Tools.PowerPlatform-VS Code, and then delete the Power Pages folder. With those folders gone, try installing the extension again. These folders contain source files and node packages that aren't removed when you uninstall. I think because the idea is that you don't need to download them again if you reinstall. However, I've found that these files are not always updated properly when you install new versions of the extension, and that can cause conflicts. So wiping out these folders forces the installation process to get the latest version, hopefully solving your issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 353 on clean uninstall of the VS Code extension useful.